Hey, it's Fred, the submarine guy. Today we're going to review the Incognito traffic with AI. I'm going to review it and give you some suggestions. Before we get started, if you'd like to work with me and my internet coach to build your own online income up to $10,000 a month like we're doing, then check out the first link in the description for that. Now let's get back to the review. Hey, it's Fred the Submarine Guy back with you, reviewing Incognito traffic with AI. This is a new Warrior Plus initiative that's being put out, and I want to tell you about it and what it brings to the table for you. It's really good, and there's also a few little problems that I'm going to go through. So let's talk about Incognito traffic with AI. First of all, this is a page I made from his Warrior Plus page, and here's the title of the Incognito program, talking about unlocking Facebook as a gold mine with AI. Your friends are more valuable than you think. How I turned Facebook friends into $10,000 without spending a penny on ads, and the no BS AI method to flood your offers with eager buyers. I love Warrior Plus projects that actually teach you about how to find eager buyers, and that's why I like this product so much. Let's keep looking here. The creator of this product is Andrew Darius. He's an AI expert and AI-preneur. I guess that's a new term for AI expert. And this is an ad that he had put together when he was on stage with the people down here. As you can see, Mike Filsame, Davin Michaels, Alicia Little, Perry Belcher, just to mention a few excellent marketers you probably know. So you know he's running in with the big dogs here. So this is going to be a good product. So let's keep looking here. A little more about the headline. A proven high converting funnel with recurring commissions. Our products have generated tons of commissions for affiliates. Now, the one thing I didn't like about his JV page is this graphic of his process here, which I have. As you can tell, you can hardly tell what's in these blocks and what it is, or even how complicated it is or isn't, right? So what I did was I wrote down everything in those blocks, and frankly, a lot of marketers do this. They give you so many one-time offers and downsells and upsells and all that kind of stuff. You can't figure out what's worth buying and what's not worth buying, but that's where I'm going to help you out right here. I've broken his offer down into 4 different categories: product capability, in other words, what does the product do, then the licensing, the ongoing training, and some, if you want to sell this professionally, white label kind of stuff. Let's go through this real quick. First of all, again, this is right up here. Everything under product capability is what the Incognito program does. He's got a section, of course, that he talks about his traffic formula. And the other thing I like about him is he's integrated completely with AI. And I'm not sure which AI products, because I haven't gotten through all the course and everything, but that tells you, you know, as it was mentioned in his bio earlier, he's an expert with AI, and he's going to teach you how to become one too. So the basic product is $17. He's got an upsell for $37 to teach you how to do ghost offers, and then one for $47 for impulse offers using AI and his methods. And then the final one for $47 is the blind sales letter. So those are your basic offers of what this product's going to do for you. And they all have to do with bringing more traffic for your business, your offer, and your sales letter, that kind of thing. So you can kind of choose now when you go to the sales page which one of these you're really going to need and want and be able to use in your business. The next part is licenses. Generally, you're only going to have a personal license for most of the people that I talk to here. However, if you run an agency, you might need a commercial or a professional license. There is a downsell for the professional license, if, as you can see, from $67 to $37. And then I'm not sure what the luxury is. I'm used to seeing personal, commercial, and pro, but luxury is a new one on me, so I can't tell you what that's about. Then he's also got ongoing training. Access to the masters is what I call that. And this is basically if you want to pay him a monthly fee to access that, or a yearly fee, or a one-time lifetime offer, then you can buy those kind of things too. It's always good to have a mentor in this internet marketing thing. So if you don't already have a mentor, this may be a good one for you. Obviously, we've seen that he's a master marketer in AI, and speaks on the stage with other masters. So this would probably be a good thing if you need that kind of mentorship. But for the average person who's using this product, I doubt you're going to need it. Do you want to sell this professionally? Again, this is if you want to white label this product, these are the costs to do that for 50 sales, 100 sales, or 500 sales. What white label is putting your name or your business name on the product as if it were yours, okay? And they're selling you that capability for these prices. Again, most people that I'm talking to here will not need that, but just in case you do, there's what you go. Let's go over to the sales page real quick and see what the way he offers it here. Get rid of this little bump up here. Here's the Incognito logo. This is how I turn, again, we saw how I turned Facebook friends into 10,000. He's got some graphics there. A lot of his sales page is just black on white writing. Okay, why am I sharing this? The proof's in the pudding. Things you've seen before. You've been told the big lie, the secret sauce, that kind of stuff. Who is this for? I'm whipping through this because this is kind of standard rhetoric kind of here. But I want to show you his bonuses because you can make a full-time income just with his bonuses. Here's bonus number 1. How to create attractive lead magnets with ChatGPT. People will love to give you their email for. If you don't have a good lead magnet creation, this bonus will probably help you out there. Bonus number 2 is 7 ways to make $10,000. In other words, this guy's been around the block for a while, so he's seen a lot of things. He might tell you something that's in your mind really easy and you could grab a hold of. Bonus 2 looked real good to me. Bonus 3 is how to bulk create YouTube shorts using ChatGPT and Canva. Faceless shorts method is what he calls it. I've been studying this kind of tactic, and it's very complicated when you first get introduced to it, but it's more than powerful in being able to flood the market with your offers. If you can generate 100 or 200 or 300 short videos, and flood TikTok or Instagram or even your YouTube channel with them, you could be up with the top marketers. That is, again, it's a little complicated on the technical side, but he's got a bonus that'll help you out with that. Bonus number 4, 6 fundamental rules to write YouTube scripts. That'll be good for your long-term training. YouTube titling, that's another good one for SEO purposes. And then all-in-one marketing platform it sounds kind of like a catch-all, but he's valuing it here at priceless. So this is a lot of different little things that he's offering there. Last chance, whoops, I blew through that one. Last chance to unlock the vault. Click below. This is, of course, here's all the value and the benefit, but this price is only $17 for the basic product. I think it'll be well worth your while. Again, if you go back to what I was talking about for what's in this product that you actually can probably use is these 4 things here. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Again, look down in the description under this video for my initial offer if you want to use my internet marketing coach to get to $10,000 a month. And there'll also be a link to get into Incognito traffic with AI with Darius, and you can go from there. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions, my email will be down there as well. Feel free to send me an email. Have a great day. Hey, it's Fred. I forgot to mention the launch starts Sunday, September 24th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So I'll have this video up before that, but you can't go over to make an actual purchase till after 11 a.m. Have a great day.